Hello, this is Vince with Pacific Digital Signs. We are here today previewing a brand new product, this 21-inch digital hand sanitizer we have here at one of our partners, K-Vine and Napa. So this is a digital hand sanitizer which has a standard hand sanitizer in the front. So pop your hand in there, get a little bit of either gel or liquid sanitizer combined with a 21-inch or 15-inch optional LCD display. In this case, this is actually a touchscreen, which touch is optional, of course, and if you do need to touch the screen, you can, of course, clean your hands immediately thereafter. This unit also has a camera up on the top, so you can see there's some possibilities there as far as being able to do analytics, targeted content, triggered content. One of the things you'll also notice, and I'll see if I can get it to light up because the unit is so bright, it is a 500 nit display. So you can see here it's quite bright. And down here there's actually an LED light. So as I zoom in, you can see it's red right now, which lets us know that the fluid level is low. So that's a visual indicator to let you know how full the unit is. Let's go take a peek around the inside. You can see what this looks like. So this can be wall mounted. We have it on a tabletop here. Wall mounted or on a stand. And as I open up here, you'll see kind of what it looks like on the inside. There is an option for gel or liquid, as I mentioned, so you've got some controls there. Sanitizer holds 60 fluid ounces of liquid, can be refilled, and again, you can kind of see the red light there indicating that the fluid level is low. Up here, you've got all your connections for also battery options, so this can be battery powered if you want. And as you can see, very well built, solid unit. This 21-inch unit is about 50 pounds. The 15-inch unit is around 40 pounds. Key locks for opening. And even on the back side, you can see there's a lockable door for your power cable and also your network cable. This is the wall-mounted unit, so you can see there's a wall mount plate there, or there's options for mounting that via the base, and you can see there's some additional slots there for your Cat 5 cable if needed. Yeah, so great unit, great way to show customers you care while promoting your own information, including safety info, of course, combined with targeted marketing, etc. And one of the other features that's kind of fun is it actually has speakers built in as well. So I will hit the volume here. You can kind of see what that sounds like. The speakers are surprisingly powerful. You can see there's one on each side there. Great way to welcome guests with both visual and audio content as they're waiting to get in line or once they come into a location. If you'd like more information on this new digital hand sanitizer, you can reach us at pacificdigitalsigns.com.